Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new cryptocurrency video, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a quick technical analysis on Lisk and if we're going to see maybe a $50 or $100 Lisk in 2018. So let's get started. Now if you look at the graph of Lisk, we can see, if we zoom out to the 4-hour chart, we can see that couple of, maybe when is the 16th, like about a week or two ago, Lisk hit its all-time high, I believe. Yeah, it hit its all-time high of almost $11.50, $11.50. So let's start it out from $2, went it had a big bump out to $5, came back down, and it's just been going horizontal ever since. It had a big jump up here up to $11 and came back down, and it's consolidating. Now, if we look at the previous chart of Lisk, we can see that Lisk jumped up over here, came back down, and it jumped up again and came back. It's little up and down right here. You can see, you follow my mouse, it's been going up and down like this for a long time. And if we look back here, once it does that for a long time, we saw a major run up. And if we see it right over here, it's the same thing over here. We had a little bounce over, little consolidation over here, and now it's just trading like this. So I'm, in my opinion, I see just by the end of 2000, just by the end of the year, it could probably go back up to 12, 13, maybe even $20 just in this month. If we draw a triangle formation over here, let me just zoom in over here. If we take the, sorry, let me just adjust this. Okay, if we take the highest point to the lowest point, actually let's do this. Let me zoom in a little bit. Sorry about that. Let's do it from here. All right. So if we take the highest point to the lowest point, and then we take the lowest point to the lowest point over here, we can see that it's on a downward trend right here. We can see the triangle is on a downward trend. It's going down, and basically that means it's gonna go down basically. But once it starts getting close over here, if it follows this formation, it gets close over here, around over here. If it goes down to around high $6, and it gets tight, we can see a major run up coming in the future of for Lisk. So I see it in 2018. I see it going up to maybe $20, maybe even 30, maybe even more. No one knows. So my predictions for Lisk is it's gonna go up. If I were you guys, I would buy right now while the price is low. We can see that every time it goes up from previous, it goes up, it comes back down, consolidates, and it goes up again. So in my opinion, right now it's on its horizontal run right now. Once it's gonna go up, and it's gonna go up very high soon, you should either sell or hold on to it for the long term. Also, I think Lisk is a very well long term investment as well. If we go to the current coin market cap, we can see that Lisk is try Lisk's market cap is about $843 million. It's not at the $1 billion range, but it's still top 20, which is really well. The the price isn't that high. It's just like OMG. Lisk, and if we click on Lisk, we can see that it had a volume of about 35 million in the 24 hours, and the circulating supply is about 115 Lisk. Also, if we go to the BTC chart, we can see that Lisk compared to BTC is basically following it. Higher it goes, BTC goes higher, lower the value for Bitcoin also goes lower. And in the end, we all are trying to get the most Bitcoin as possible. So once these correlate at the high level, I suggest selling, get the most Bitcoin, hold Bitcoin, do what you want with that Bitcoin. But basically, you can see Lisk is down about 10% today. and it's just been going in this up and down pattern for about a week. We saw a major run up for Thanksgiving, and after that, we just it's been on up and down over here. So I actually see Lisk doing very well in the future. I I can like just a year ago, if we go back to if we look at Dash a year ago, if we pull up the Dash charts, let me just move this over real quick. Let's see if they have Dash on here. Yep, Dash. If we go to the Dash is trading around 689, but if we zoom back out, if we go to the maybe weekly chart, we can see that Dash was also trading about how much Lisk was trading at, about $3, $3, and then it just had a major run up all the way up to $689, which is just crazy. See, it's Lisk is around over here basically $6, $7, and Dash just ran up. So why can't Lisk run up as well? And if we go to the Lisk chart, and I'm sorry, we can see that. Sorry, let's go to the 4 hour chart. Lisk is about, let's see, okay, so it bounced back up from being overbought, but what Lisk was, I think it technically was overbought. And since it overbought, it bought up. Also, if you guys want to buy at a best price, try buying for the RSI when it goes lower underneath the, what is this, the $30 level. So if anytime you see it go lower here, you can see that there was a bounce. And when it goes up above the $50 level, or in this case the $70, try excuse me, you should try selling, because over you don't want to be buying when it's overbought and selling when it's oversold. You should be doing the opposites, buying when it's oversold and selling when it's overbought. So I really see a Lisk going a long way in the future. It's down right now, $6, almost a cent short than. Oh, never mind. Send out $7 now, but I see it going up to $20 by the end of the year. I really think that's possible, and maybe even 50, 100 by the end of next year. So I suggest you guys start getting in. Try buying if you want. Try buy some Lisk. It's a good investment. The market cap isn't. It's a pretty small coin now. It's now over a billion market cap. So, and the volume this pat it was about 36 million just today, which is not bad. So yeah, I suggest buying. Now, if we look at the coin market cap today, everything's basically going down right now. We had an amazing run up yesterday. Bitcoin hit 11,000 this morning, came back down, but all these red days, these are the best time to buy. Neo is probably a good buy right now. Lisk, like I said, Lisk is a good buy right now. If you guys want to set your buy orders lower, maybe set it lower for when it goes to maybe like $6.50, or maybe $6. Set some buy orders set. But yeah, I really see Lisk going a long way. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.